Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can simply fix GameSir G7 wired controller not turning on. So to quickly fix this, the first thing that I recommend is to actually reset the controller. So there's going to be this small hole right beside the actual controller. So it's going to be this specific button right here. So you want to go ahead and use something like a paper clip or something like a needle or a SIM ejector. Just go ahead and make sure that you poke this specific hole right here, and then the controller will reset. You also want to poke it or press it down for around 5 to 4 seconds to reset the controller's internal setting. Now from there, you also want to try using different cable or port. Maybe your cable is basically damaged, so you want to go ahead and replace it with a perfectly working one. Now, right after, we could also try power cycling our Xbox if you're using a console. So just go ahead and turn it off, leave it off for around 1 minute, and then from there you could just turn it back on. Now, the last thing that I suggest is to simply open up the Microsoft Store. And then from here, we need to get the application called GameSir Nexus application. In here, this is an application basically made for GameSir controllers out there. This will go ahead and get you the ability to update the drivers that supports GameSir controllers, and same thing for the GameSir controllers to be supported for your computer. So just go ahead and get the GameSir application right here. You could also try downloading different ones on the same maker, and from there you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.